Old viewfinder cameras have hidden quality lenses. At the time, there was a lot of competition for cameras that were somewhat affordable for ordinary people. The pictures had to be very easy to take and as sharp as possible. It is worth transporting these old lenses to a digital camera to see what was there then. It was very difficult to get the lens off the camera, and I had to design my own adapter for my Sony A7. The minimum focusing distance is about 80 centimeters, which is too long for me. Still, there are surprisingly sharp photos possible with these seemingly cheap bad lenses.